one-on-one guitar lessons is better than watching videos next here on Jam on Guitar Lessons. This is Brandon for Jam on Guitar Lessons. I want to go over a few different things with you about learning online and learning face-to-face or one-on-one. Even Zoom can help you much more than some of the online teachings that they have here today. And I've been teaching and doing lessons for people one-on-one for a while now, and they learn much quicker when it's one-on-one. It's much easier to learn when you're doing one-on-one lessons than online lessons, because specific questions need to be asked sometimes, you know, and I have the answers to all those specific questions. And you know, the first chords, if you're a beginner, that you will learn will be G, D, C, and sometimes I add A minor. That's four just really quick 4 chords for you to learn, and I will teach you a song that you can learn to play with those exact chords that that you will understand. And also, some people have trouble with bar chords, so here's those same bar chords, and or those same chords actually in the bar chords: G, C, D. Then A minor is just, you just play the A minor the same, because the bar is actually the nut here, which is the bridge that goes across the top. That's called the nut. So I can teach you exactly what you need to know to learn your rhythms, to learn your scales, and learn everything. And I try to, and I'm able to put it all together to where you can understand it, especially one-on-one. Like I said, if you want to do one-on-one lessons, if you're not near me here in Richmond, Kentucky, then I can do Zoom one-on-one lessons, and just help you be able to figure out where you're at and where you can be in a short amount of time, as opposed to just watching somebody online on a specific video or whatever. I know this is a video here, but I would like to help you one-on-one, like I said, via Zoom, or here in Richmond, Kentucky, in this area, to be able to meet with you and teach you one-on-one. I've heard lots of excuses before of why they can't learn guitar or why they're having trouble learning guitar. One of the main things that I've heard is that they have huge big fingers, and I have some pretty big fingers myself, as you can see, and they're short. I have short fingers. I have no problem playing guitar, and I'm actually doing lessons for a guy who has fingers probably twice as big as mine, and he's doing great. We've only had 2 lessons so far, and he's already learned those chords, and he's learning how to switch quickly from each chord. And I'm getting ready to teach him that song. So anyways, one-on-one lessons is a really good way to learn quickly, to learn what you want to learn, to understand everything about the neck of the guitar, where you're at on the neck of the guitar. And I will teach you all that one-on-one in my lessons, like I said, via Zoom, if you're not here in Richmond, Kentucky, or Richmond, Kentucky area. And it will help you tremendously in your guitar playing. And I know some people have a desire. You have to have a desire to play guitar and to want to go forward, or you just don't, it's not something you're interested in. But if you're interested in playing guitar and you have the desire, my slogan is, if there's a will, there's a will to play. So if you have a will, there's a will to play. So there's definitely a way to play. Not everybody plays the same not everybody plays the same, you know, type of guitar. Not everybody plays the same genre, and I can teach you anything you need to know to play any genre you want to learn how to know. And so, plug my guitar back in because I kicked it evidently. So, just contact me, whatever social media you're on. My phone number is 859-314-0233. You can contact me there if you can't find my phone number, or you don't want to message me on whatever social media you're on. You can message me on Facebook, or you know, get a hold of me if you're on YouTube or whatever, and I can get you going to where you can learn how to even you know, learn how to make up your own rhythms, like what I was just doing a second ago. I made that up myself in just an instant. So, you know, you're able to take what you know and make what you want out of it. And in the lessons that I give you, you understand where you're at on the guitar and all the basics of knowing the guitar and how to learn more and use your ear. Learning to use your ear to understand. Because if you learn to use your ear, you can listen to a song and you can learn how to play it just from listening to it and being able to match your guitar sound to the sound that's on the song. And a lot of times that comes with, you know, just different aspects of the way the song was written and everything. But I would love to be able to help you understand one-on-one how to play the guitar, how to jam on guitar. And this is Brandon for Jam on Guitar, Guitar Lessons, and you all have a blessed day.